If you've ever stared at your email marketing dashboard wondering, why aren't people opening my emails? You're not alone. I've been there too, and it's why I started testing out Brevo. And some of the results surprised me. Before we get into it, quick heads up, if you do want to try Brevo, I'll leave a link down in the description, or you can just scan the QR code on screen. That'll make sure you're getting the best price available anywhere. All right, so here's the deal. I've used a handful of email marketing platforms over the years. Some were way too complicated, some too pricey, and some just didn't deliver the results I was looking for. So I decided to give Brevo a shot because they've been positioning themselves as this all-in-one AI-driven solution, and I wanted to see if that AI magic actually made a difference. First off, the AI-driven email marketing. This is where Brevo shines. Instead of just blasting out newsletters at random times, it actually predicts when your subscribers are most likely to engage. I tested this over a couple of weeks and my open rates genuinely ticked upward. Not crazy numbers, but a noticeable improvement. Next is the email builder. If you like to keep things simple, the drag and drop editor is really straightforward. And if you need to move fast, Brevo also has a bunch of pre-designed templates so you can tweak in just a few clicks. Either way, it's easy to get a professional looking email out without wasting time, and it doesn't feel clunky. Another thing I appreciate is the real-time reporting. I could see right away how a campaign was performing, opens, clicks, all of that, without first digging through endless menus. It's basically like having a live scoreboard for your emails. And if you like experimenting, Brevo's A/B testing is easy to set up. I tested subject lines and layout side by side, and the platform made it super clear which one worked better. No guessing, no spreadsheets, just clear results. Now, it's not perfect. The design flexibility is good, but it isn't as advanced as some higher-end platforms. If you're a hardcore designer who wants pixel-perfect control, you might feel a bit limited. And the interface, although clean, does take a little bit of clicking around at first to find where everything is. Not a deal breaker, but worth noting. So who's Brevo really for? I'd say small to mid-sized businesses, solo entrepreneurs, or anyone who doesn't want to spend hours obsessing over email delivery times. If you're looking for something that balances ease of use with smart features, Brevo hits that sweet spot in my opinion. And again, if you want to give it a try, I'll drop that link in the description below, or you can just scan the QR code here. That'll hook you up with the best price available anywhere.